guys, today we're gonna play Border.
Traveled around the world and we're still roaming. Soon we'll be 30 years old. I'm still learning about life. My woman brought children for me, so I can sing them all my songs and I can tell them stories. Most of
Enjoy
my
the
boys
video
are with me, some are
also.
still out seeking glory, and some I had to leave behind. My brother, I'm still happy. Soon I'll be 60 years old. My daddy got 61. Remember life, and then your life becomes a better one. I made a man so happy when I rode the little ones. I hope my children come and visit once or twice a month. Soon I'll be 60 years old. Will I think the world is cold, or will I have a lot of children who can bore me? Soon I'll be 60 years old. Soon I'll be 60 years old. Will I think the world is cold, or will I have a lot of children who can bore me? Soon I'll be 60 years old. Once I was 7 years old, Mama told me, go make yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old. Once I was 7 years old.
Enjoy the song. Also, make sure to hit the subscribe button. I'm thinking of making a song. Is that a good idea? Make sure to say it in the comment to see if it's a good idea.
Once I was 7 years old, my mama told me, go make yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old.
The game is realistic. Basically, you're gonna,
But we thought we
about
were bigger, pushing each other to the limits. We were learning quicker. By 11, smoking herb and drinking burning liquor. Never rich, so we were out to make that steady
fighting,
figure.
fight
Once
back,
I was 11 years old, my daddy told me, go get yourself a wife or you'll be lonely. Once I was 11 years old. I always had that dream like my daddy before me. So I started writing songs, I started writing stories. Something about that glory just always seemed to bore me. Cause only those I really love will ever really know me. Once I was 20 years old, my story got told. Before the morning sun when life was lonely. Once I was 7 years old. Only see my goals, I don't believe in failure. Cause I know the smallest voices, they can make it major. I got my goals with me, at least those in favor. And if we don't meet before I leave, I hope I'll see you later. Once I was 20 years old, my story got told. I was writing about everything I saw before me. Once I was 20 years old. Soon we'll be 30 years old. Our songs have been sold. We've traveled around the world and we're still roaming. Soon we'll be 30 years old. I'm still learning about life. My woman brought children for me, so I can sing them all my songs and I can tell them stories. Most of my boys are with me, some are still out seeking glory, and some I had to leave behind. My brother, I'm still happy. Soon I'll be 60 years old. My daddy got 61. Remember life, and then your life becomes a better one. I made a man so happy when I rode the little ones. I hope my children come and visit once or twice a month. Soon I'll be 60 years old. Will I think the world is cold, or will I have a lot of children who can bore me? Soon I'll be 60 years old. Soon I'll be 60 years old. years old. Mama told me, go make yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old.
I finally defeated
Once I was 7 years old.
Alam mo namang kailangan ka namin dito, lalo ngayon, di ba?
Sabi ko sa'yo eh.
Pero mamaya gabi, pwede kami sumunod.
Salamat po sir.
Oo, okay lang yun. Diba? Kasi nga yan, bibis tayo na minsan.
Once I was 7 years old, my mama told
Sorry guys,
me,
wait. Okay. Oh, great, I'm lagging.
Table at gustuhan, pwede ko bang isuot?
Gastusin.
Oh no.
Malinaw.
I'm gonna put a song.
Buti kung yan. Gusto ko lang kasi malinaw lahat.
Transport to here, bro. I said transport.
Kukuha.
Are you serious?
Didi, siya na
I said to transport on here. Here. Not there, bro. You serious, bro? Nah, bro, this is hard.
Si Didi na.
Come on.
Gagamitin ko yan.
Oh, bang. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Hoy, meron akong hosting na pupuntahan. Oh, ikaw na lang mag-remind kay
Hey.
mama ha. Na huwag na siyang ulit inom ng
False
gamot.
alarm, I guess.
Nakakalimutan kasi nun eh, na nakainom na siya. Baka lalo mapasama kapag nakasobra.
Sige.
Kabigayin. Bakit po?
United States of America.
Alam mo ba yung ginagawa mo?
Port.
Kasi hindi ko pa talaga kaya amoy.
I'm gonna do with a port.
Ganyan talaga yan. Hindi.
Fightings. Oh great, we're gonna lose.
Hindi.
Farm. Transfers.
Ano si Ben?
Are you serious?
Nakatulog po si Baby. Oh?
It's truly so hard. Wait, if I put some
Kasi
defense,
nakainom na daw kayo
Force.
umaga. Baka masobrahan daw po kayo.
defense, where is it? Steel mail, oil, city defense post,
Maraming batang
city for farm. I don't need a farm. Yeah, I'm losing. Fight back! Fight back! Fight back!
Mabuti naman.
Oh.
At mabuti rin na itakbo agad ako sa emergency.
Oh.
Ma-overdose. Simulang ngayon na sa akin mo
Harbor.
para sigurado
This
ko
oil?
hindi na ulit sobra yung pag-inom mo. Buti ka nga. Hirap pa naman pag may nangyari sa'yo
So,
tapos wala
okay.
ako. Buti na lang nandito si Robert. Nadala ka sa ospital. Salamat Robert ha.
Okay lang po yan. Ingat po kayo ha.
Oo, salamat din ha. Robert, kagabi yung dami nagandaan sa
Wow, bro.
Hindi sa
Weldo po. Ayan.
hinto. Di ba dito nakatira si Robert?
Eh ano ngayon?
Eh, upa niya to. Sa pagtira niya dito.
Come on, guys.
Manila ka rin ba? At
Let's fight back.
so, hindi ka kasi malipot.
Anong ginagawa niya?
Uy, Beta. Tinatagalan ako ni Robert ng blackheads. Kita ko nito sa door.
I didn't expect this is so hard than I expected!
Tapusin ko lang to, ha?
Sorry.
Sa quarterly. Taga, ulat mo na lang. Ano yan? Okay, bilisan nyo. Tanghali na, baka maiwan tayo ng aeroplano. Yan lang padala niyo, sir? Oo, sandali lang naman kami sa Boracay. Saka, ganyan talaga mga tunay na lalaki. Maliit na bangla
Atsay!
pag bumabiyahe. Okay, bilis! Oh.
Yeah, I'm winning. I'm winning! I'm winning!
Ano pa yung lagay na yan, ha? At pinadala mo. Uy, hindi ka magdadala ng gamit? Magdadala ko. Okay, nasa? Yung ibang gamit ko, pinalagay ko sa malalim ni nanay. Tapos yung iba kay Clarissa. Charles ko, dyan sa bag. Natamadaman ko. Wow. Para ka ng tatay mo mag-isip, ha? Bakit tayo? Lalaking-lalaki po ba? Hindi. Pangulang. Sige na, ano nga yan?
Ma'am, mamaya na rin pong alis ko papunta sa probinsya namin. Pasensya na po kayo. Nakabay sa pag-alis ko ang bakasyon mo. Ikaw naman, matagal mo ng pinag-aaralan din eh. Kailan ba alis mo? Sa makalawa pa pagkatapos ng fiesta sa amin. Sige, mag-ingat ka sa biyahe, ha?
Bumili tayo sa bumili pa. Teka tayo, yung charger ko naiwan ko pala. Alam mo,
Yes.
ulit tayo. Bumili ka na lang ng charger dun sa airport. Iwanan mo na yung sa'yo. Nakalimutan mo, huwag mo na balikan. Iwanan mo na yun.
Wala po ako nakalimutan. Pero si Kuya Robert ko wala pa. Iwan niyo po ba natin siya?
Ano ko ba? Wala na po.
Alam niyo, baka hindi na tayo umabot sa flight na.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, let's wait for the part 2. Bye!